Hola a todos. Hoy día vamos a volar bien lejos en la Ciudad de México. Pero vamos a volar en 100 kilómetros por hora.
Fly with caution.
Sí, fly with caution. Exacto.
Our flight service in International Bahamas. Flight down to Nassau today is going to be 16 minutes. We ask you to please remain seated outside with your seatbelts securely fastened for the entire flight. For your safety, this speech 1900 is equipped with 4 emergency exits, 2 over the right way, 1 over the left when the door you entered. Beneath your seat you will find a life vest, and in front of you is a card that outlines how these safety features work. On behalf of Pernambuco and this flight crew, we'd like to thank you for flying.
Ahora subimos hasta más o menos 200 metros.
Take off. Home point updated. Fly with caution. Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Vamos a probar si podemos llegar hasta 100 kilómetros por hora. Ya pasamos 97 kilómetros por hora.
Fly with caution. Fly with caution. Fly with caution. Fly with caution. Landing. Fly with caution.